Let's face it, unexpected expenses happen. Maybe your car needs a repair or that grocery bill snuck up on you. In these situations, traditional loans can feel slow and complicated. That's where cash advance apps like Klover come in. But before you download the app, you might be wondering, am I even eligible for a Klover advance? Well, hold on to your receipts, because that's exactly what we're going to break down today. In this video, we'll unveil the qualifications for snagging a Klover advance, explore some insider tips, and answer all your burning questions. So, buckle up and get ready to navigate the world of Klover cash advances. Ditch the payday loan drama. Why Klover? Traditional payday loans often come with sky-high interest rates and hidden fees. They can trap you in a cycle of debt that's hard to escape. Thankfully, Klover offers a different approach. Think of it like this. Imagine Klover as a friend who can spot you a few bucks until your next paycheck hits. There are no crazy interest rates, and Klover gets repaid directly from your upcoming deposit. It's a much more manageable way to bridge a short-term financial gap. All right, so how do I qualify? Now, onto the nitty-gritty. Klover doesn't rely on credit checks, which is a huge plus for folks with a less-than-perfect credit history. Here's the key. Klover analyzes your checking account activity to determine your eligibility and advance amount. Here are the main requirements you'll need to meet. Be a U.S. citizen and at least 18 in most states. Own a valid checking account and debit card. This is where Klover peeks under the hood to assess your financial situation. Show time for your checking account. Your account needs to be in good standing and have at least 90 days of transaction history. Basically, Klover wants to see you've been actively using the account. The payroll party. This is where things get interesting. Klover loves seeing consistent deposits. You'll need to have at least 3 direct deposits from the same employer within the last 60 days. Pro tip, consistency is key. If you've recently changed jobs, you might have to wait a bit before Klover feels comfortable offering you an advance. They want to see a steady flow of income to ensure you can repay the advance without any issues. Beyond the basics, other factors to consider. While the requirements above are the main ones, Klover might also consider other factors in your bank account activity. This could include the overall amount of your deposits and the frequency of your transactions. Remember, Klover is looking for a responsible borrower who can manage their finances effectively. So you don't qualify? Don't sweat it. Even if you don't meet the qualifications this time around, don't despair. Here are some ways to improve your chances for the future. Maintain a healthy checking account. Keep your account active with regular transactions and avoid any negative balances. Become a direct deposit pro. If your employer doesn't offer direct deposit, consider switching to a bank that does. Patience is a virtue. If you've recently changed jobs, give it some time for your direct deposit history to build up. The final takeaway, Klover can be a helpful tool. Klover can be a lifesaver when you need a little extra cash before payday. By understanding the qualifications and using some smart strategies, you can increase your chances of getting approved. Remember, Klover is a tool, and like any tool, it's important to use it responsibly. Only borrow what you can comfortably repay, and be mindful of how often you use the service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially informed.